Hi guys. Hello guys, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, as per the title of the video, I want to make like homemade KFC Oreo crusher. So yesterday I was really craving that crusher, but it was too cold. Nairobi has been cold like for the past, I don't know how many weeks, like maybe the past 2 weeks or 3. It's been cold. And then today I woke up and the sun is out. But I was like, wow, you jua. Well, it's so hot today. I'm really happy about that. So let's take advantage of the sun and make some Oreo crusher. It's only like 3 ingredients. So it's ice cream. I'll be using the vanilla and strawberry because I don't like plain vanilla. I'm hoping the black in the biscuit covers it all and it doesn't have like some pink shade to it. And the other thing will be the Oreo biscuits, definitely. And then, as I've mentioned, the ice cream. So yeah, you just put them in the blender and then blend and add some little piece of crumbled biscuits to it. So if you're new here, you're watching my video for the very first time and you find my content sort of interesting, please consider subscribing. I'm on the road to like 500 subscribers. Also, I'm dealing with these two humans here. I don't know how they've been here for a very long time. Like they need to go. Maybe just see. Anyway, guys, let's get into the video. I'm so happy about the sun. Like even the lighting makes me sort of look good. Let's get into the video, guys. So guys, I want to start. I'm not going like to take any measurements. This blender has seen better days from blending the baby's food. It has seen better days. Anyway, so I'll start with the ice cream. I won't do any measuring, so if you need to measure, you can maybe watch other videos. So I'll go in with 2 scoops of this. This is like the 500 ml. Also, I don't want to make a lot of this because it's only for me. And then I'll go in with these 2 pieces of I actually have like 3 pieces. But then these things are this is it the 55.2 Oreo biscuits is currently on offer at Quick Mart. So if you love Oreos, you can go grab them. So first of all, you need to put them like in sort of a bag, and then let me just do 2 and sort of crush them. Oh wait, the pepper is tearing. If you have a grinder, the better for you. So I'll just add a little bit of it in there. Like that. And then go in with the milk. Oh, let me open it. This milk is also 500 grams. So if I do half of it, I bet it's like 250. So yeah, I don't know if the Oreo is enough or should I add more. I bet that is enough for now. So Let's go in with the blending. It looks so nice, but I don't feel like it's thick enough, so let me add some more ice cream. Let me tell you guys, I still feel like it's not thick enough. I think I used a lot of milk. So I'll just add in a little bit. And there we go. Is that how it looks, just like it, right? I don't have a straw. Anyway, let me test it for you guys. It is so good. You can also go in with the crushed biscuits and just add on top of it. Let's do that. And since I don't have a straw to stir it in, I'll just use my spoon. But it would have been so cute with a straw. It's so good, guys. It's so good. It's so good. It just gets to taste like the one from KFC. And as I said before, the trick is use chilled milk and the ice cream frozen. That way, you serve it chilled already. It's so good, guys. So I think I've been making this over and over and over again. Go ahead and try it. Until the next video, guys. Bye bye. A closer look of how it looks like. It's so yummy, guys. Look inside. So freaking yummy. I will go try it and let me know in the comment section how good you love it. As for me, I personally love it.